Feeling like your trend trades keep failing when the market pulls back and you're left on the sidelines? Let's fix that with a simple but powerful approach so you can trade with the trend and capture the retrace. No more chasing late entries. This strategy uses two main tools: the Chandelier Stops V1, which acts as a trend filter and dynamic trend line, and the classic Stochastic Oscillator, which catches the momentum retrace. Here's how to trade it. For a buy, first, the chandelier line must be below price and colored blue. That means the trend is up. Then price needs to be making higher swing highs and swing lows, i.e., an uptrend. Next, wait for price to pull back toward the chandelier line. When the stochastic's faster line crosses above the slower line, that's your entry signal. Set stop loss just below the support level under the entry candle. Exit the trade when the stochastic faster line crosses below the slower line. For a sell, the chandelier line must be above price and colored red. Trend is down. Price must be making lower highs and lower lows. Downtrend. Wait for price to pull up toward the chandelier line, then enter when the stochastic faster line crosses below the slower line. Put stop loss at resistance above the entry candle. Exit when the faster line crosses above the slower line. Time frames. Use 30-minute, 1-hour, 4-hour, or daily charts. And you're trading a trend following plus retracement combo, which improves the odds and potentially the reward. Risk management practical tip. Only risk a small percent of your account per trade, say 1 to 2%. And be patient. Don't force entries unless both conditions line up. Trend filter clear and stochastic crossover. A rushed entry usually kills winning potential. Ready to trade the trend and the retrace with confidence? Head to forexmt4indicators.com to download the free indicators/templates for the Midas Touch system and give your Forex game a clean upgrade. Let's turn those setups into wins.